Hey, hello guys, it's How to Text Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually remove a background in Canva from an image that you just uploaded. Now let's say I'm making a thumbnail for a new YouTube video and I only want the bird from Duolingo. Now all I have to do is crop the image so the logo disappears, if I only want a bird for example. From there we go to Edit Picture in the top left corner. And here there comes a selection of tools. Now here you have delete the background. You simply use the Magic Studio here, press it, and it will automatically delete the background from here. Now as you can see, it deleted the eyes as well. So what you can do right here is simply go to Elements. Here use a circle for example. Put it behind the screen like so. Stretch it out a bit, change the position to the background, and here you can make it white again. Now, and as you can see, that's it. Here I can use the whole picture, select it, make it bigger, and so I can use a normal image without the background. Now, if this tutorial has helped you in any kind of way, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. If this tutorial has helped you, leave it in the comments. And thank you for watching.